Welcome. Let's see if we can get this, and this to be all the same thing. Take a look. It's a hexagon. At the same time, I will turn it into the H and the I. And how will I do that? Let's do it quite simply. First, we're going to create the hexagon. Right? The hexagon is right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 sides. So this is the hexagon. This is above this. It's the exact same thing. But when I extend it out and cut the lines, this is what you see on the inside. Now when I take this box over here, this box, can you see this box? Can you see the design that was down here? Same thing. Same thing. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to tuck things in. Cave in the top. One folds over the other. And after one folds over the other, we have the stop. At the same time, if we unfold it, right, and we keep the center, we have the H. And if we have the dividing sides, we have the H beam, right, which is the I letter. And a little bit looking like the Star Wars. So we, just by putting that design inside. Now at the same time, we can work it back to being a cube. All I have to do is draw this line up here, and I have the cube on this angle. Let me see if I can break this up. I have a smaller cube over here. The same way as if I would take a cube, okay, and in fact I wasn't going to take the cube. I was going to do, actually I wanted to redesign it like this. That, see, we need a certain size in order to follow these lines. So what I do is I follow the lines this way, and now I have the cube, when at the same time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also the hexagon. And well, I like to always call this the cat, but I can also turn this into the Star of David by adding on just a few extras. Now where was that extra here? Just trying to find out how that extra. Anyways, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. This, the stop sign. This, the rectangle. Also looking, depending how you shape the inside, as the hexagon. And that's it.